Okay, so I opened this, and as you can see, I haven't even flattened it out. There is stuff all over it. Disgusting. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's a hair hanging out of it. You know, if they're going to resell it, it looks like some food of some sort that's been smeared on there. Disgusting. Just crap all over it. Oh, that's not even the best part. So I start to open it. There's crumbs everywhere. Disgusting. And looks like some food smeared. Don't buy from them. Like, they obviously don't even clean off. If they're going to try to resell something that's been used, at least clean it off first. I'm guessing this was used for camping. There's another hair. Someone's hair. Not mine. Not my hair. Well, glad I spent all this money just to have to stuff it back in the box and return it.